Y'all, deep conditioners are top tier when it comes to natural hair care. However, in 2026, we are starting to get a little oversaturated. So I'm gonna show you some of my favorite deep conditioners so you know exactly what you should pick. Welcome back to another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now, like I said in the intro, we are going to be talking about deep conditioners today because baby is a little oversaturated in that section, honey. And it might be hard to figure out what you should and shouldn't use. So like I said in this video, we're going to be going over my top favorite deep conditioners for 2026. You definitely should watch this video all the way through so you know what to buy and what to stay away from. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into number one. Okay, out the gate, we need to start off strong. You may or may not have heard of her. She's been on my page quite some time, and that is Miche Beauty, y'all. I always tell you guys that Miche Beauty is the underdog, and they are about to be stepping on hair brands' necks all 2026. So this is called Indulge. It's a moisturizing, deep conditioning treatment for dull or dry hair. Now, why am I calling these the underdog? Because not only do they have really, really good ingredients, but I just love a thick deep conditioner. Right now we're in the month of January, so it's really important that we are having thick deep conditioners in our hair so it can stay nourished and hydrated through these cold winter months. And Miche Beauty has it down packed, y'all. She ain't going nowhere, okay? If you guys know Natalie Nunn, you know how she always says, my husband ain't going nowhere. Baby, this deep conditioner ain't going nowhere, okay? She's in the bottle for good. Super thick, super creamy. That is how the product looks, and it feels so good when you apply it to your hair. I love that their first ingredient is distilled water, which is actually really good for you. And just look how they have their ingredients listed. It goes down the line instead of going across like a paragraph. In 2026, you just have to do things that are going to stand out on the shelf, and your labels are going to either make or break you. They did a very good job at keeping it clear, concise, but also doing things like having a list of bullet points of their ingredients. I think that's so cool, and you guys can see exactly what's in here and also exactly what's not. And just to read off a few ingredients that you might love, they have marshmallow root and slippery elm, which is great slip for your hair. They also have aloe vera juice, which is going to bring so much moisture. There's extra virgin olive oil, which is going to hydrate those curls and keep them really shiny. There's shea butter, castor oil, all types of stuff. There's also raw organic honey. Honey is a natural humectant. All that means is it's going to draw moisture around you back into your hair. So if you're somebody who has trouble keeping their hair moisturized, then I would definitely recommend products that have natural humectants just like honey, and Miche Beauty got this one in the bag, y'all. Okay, y'all, the next one is a celebrity hair brand. Okay, we are talking about no other than Pattern Beauty. This is one of my favorite deep conditioners. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. It's a little bit more on the looser side. This is a powerful, powerful deep conditioner. And I just love how it slides into your hair. There's so much slip when it comes to this product. And this is one of those products where you can use it all year round, which is pretty cool. So this is by the Tracee Ellis Ross. And I love when celebrities launch hair care brands. I feel like we can just better connect with the celebrity on a different note. It's really nice to see them in a different element, off TV, off movies, and you're actually talking about hair products, and it's something that we all can use, which is great. Now, this product specifically says it's formulated only for curlies and tight textures. If your hair is more on the looser side, this might not be the one for you, but if you have curls or tight curls, this would be perfect. So the two key ingredients in here are rice water and also moringa seed extract. Moringa seed is just something that's going to keep the hair extremely hydrated, while rice water is also really good for you. I don't know if you guys remember a few years ago, people were raving about rice water and all of its benefits. I'm so happy that brands caught on to that trend and they now use that and formulate it in their products too, because it's so beneficial for natural hair nourishment. Now, just talking about the label, the bottle, the packaging, I think it's really cute. I love the brown. I love the color of it. I also like that you can see the product on the inside. I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but you can definitely see what you're working with. So this is a transparent container, but it has like a deep, subtle brown color to it, which I really like. I just think that black people are going to be attracted to this. Like they knew what they were doing, honey. They knew what they were doing. If you guys have not tried anything from Adwoa Beauty, I would start with their deep conditioner. You're gonna fall in love and just wind up getting all the products like I did. Okay, this one I have been using for years and she's still at the top of my list. And I hope I'm saying this right. It's Adwoa Beauty. So freaking good. The first things first, we have to talk about the scent. Y'all, this has like a peppermint. Woo! It has like tea tree oil, peppermint, spearmint, anything that's gonna tingle on your scalp. If that's what you like, then this product is for you. I love when my scalp starts to tingle because I just feel like it's working. I feel like it's taking those impurities out of my scalp, cleansing them, and just starting fresh with a new hairstyle. This deep conditioner is definitely for you if you enjoy that tingling sensation. You guys can see we are definitely at the bottom. I will have to purchase a new jar if I want to continue to use this brand. Now this is a black owned business. I think all three of them I've talked about so far, including this one, are black owned. It says it's Biomint Deep Conditioning Treatment, Baobab, Wintergreen, Spearmint, and Peppermint oils. That is why your hair be tingling like that, sis, and you can smell it. As soon as you open it up, you can smell it. The deep conditioner, I'll show you guys, it's so thick. Look at that. She's thick, like, and she ain't going nowhere. I like that for us. When black people formulate products for black hair, you can tell. You can tell when it's a black owned product. It's deeper than just buying because it's black. I'm buying because I know you formulated this for my hair. That's why I like supporting black hair companies. Okay, so the next one, you may or may not have heard of her, but I'm about to put you guys on right now. This is called Elle's Holistic Beauty Bar, and this is their Shea Bay Powder and Aloe Vera Deep Conditioner. Oh my goodness, y'all. Woo, and she's big. She's big. And 16 fluid ounces. I think the rest of them I showed you are around 8 fluid ounces, so she's huge. This one's 15 fluid ounces. This one was 16 fluid ounces, and this is 16 fluid ounces. This is a big jar right here. This is a big girl, okay? She has goals and aspirations, honey. I really like Elle's Holistic Beauty. They are a family-owned business. I'm gonna show you guys how the product looks. And when I'm telling you these are my favorite because all of them are just about empty. Like, I'm serious. So this has like a little bit of slip to it. As you can see, it's coming out, but it's still thick. Y'all see that? It's still thick. I love a thick, deep conditioner. Okay, and just a little background story. It does say for years, my family has searched for natural hair care products that can not only nourish hair, but also improve follicle stimulation by promoting growth. And that's what this product does. If you are somebody who is trying to grow your hair, I would find products that specifically say they are for hair growth, and this one is it. Now, some of the ingredients are Shea Bay powder, which is a natural powder that comes right from the earth. Anything that comes from Mother Nature is going to perform better in your hair than science-based products. Off rip. You can just use natural products like Shea Bay powder in your hair and you'll be fine. There's also avocado oil, vitamin C, aloe vera, argan, biotin, almond oil, shea butter, honey. Remember we talked about that honey. There's also marshmallow root in here. There's apple cider vinegar in here. There's so many good things in here for your hair. I blew through this jar, y'all. No joke. I kept picking this up week after week because it was just that good. So if you've never heard of Elle's Holistic Beauty, I am so happy I was able to put you on. Make sure you check out some of their other hair care products too, because they do have an entire line, but my favorite is their deep conditioner. This video would not be right if I didn't talk about this brand. I'm sorry, but this brand has been there since the beginning. This brand was one of the first brands I started using when I became natural, and you already know that's As I Am Naturally. Me and As I Am have a love relationship. As I Am has a ton of natural hair care products, but one of my favorites is their Hydration Elevation from their classic line. Now this product is made with coconut, sugarcane, green tea, apple, lemon, vitamin, vegetable glycerin, shea butter, and vitamin E. I use my products. I will never put you guys onto something that I genuinely don't love and use. All these products are just about empty and I'm gonna have to re-up. The classic line is just one of my favorites because this was the first line I was introduced to, and my hair really thrived when I started using this product. I was transitioning from heat damaged hair over to natural, and I had a really hard time. As I Am just got me through those first few years of my journey. So if you are somebody who is new to natural hair care or new on your journey, I would definitely start with the classic line. As I Am is somebody everybody and their mama has tried, and if you have not, I will not shame you, but I am going to ask you to go ahead and purchase this right now. This is a product that you will keep gravitating back towards because it's just that good. Great slip. I'll show you guys the consistency. Okay, super thick. Y'all see her? Super thick. She's not going anywhere. Love, love, love a thick, deep conditioner in the winter just because it's going to hold a little bit more moisture than those looser ones. But yes, As I Am, that girl will forever be that girl and will always be that girl. Alright, I'm about to be a little shady here because I feel like As I Am goes head to head with this brand, which is quite alright. I don't know if they launched around the same time, but I definitely started using them in my natural hair journey around the same time. And that is Shea Moisture. Oh my goodness. I'm almost positive that the Black Jamaican Castor Oil line is probably one of everyone's favorite lines from Shea Moisture. They did such a good job with this. Black Jamaican Castor Oil is very good for your natural hair. It's not only going to lock in that moisture, but it's going to provide nourishment too. I'm almost positive everybody has seen this around before. All these lights, but baby, listen. I use these products. I'm not playing with you guys. These are some of my top tier favorite products and I'm putting you guys on. The proof is literally in the pudding and the pudding is almost gone, baby. Pudding is almost gone. Love Shea Moisture down. I love their strength. This is called their Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. It's made with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. So you're going to have that peppermint feeling, but also that apple cider vinegar is going to wash away any impurities. And then the shea butter is just going to bring back so much moisture for your hair. If you guys have not tried the Black Jamaican Castor line from Shea Moisture, I am not judging you, but I'm just saying, friend, if you in the natural hair community, this is one of the staples. So you might want to hop on board with this one right here. Okay, so the next one is probably the newest brand I have received, and I am so excited to talk to you guys about it. If you guys are familiar with the Main Choice, then you definitely will be familiar with this line also because it's by the same owner. Let me put you on, friend. Okay, so this is called Watch and See. This is their Flourishing collection, and this is called the Flourishing Mask by none other than AsAlwaysAleia. Now, sis, if there's one person that knows natural hair care, it's her. Now, I've used this product maybe 1 to 2 times and it's quickly worked its way up to my favorites because it's just that good. If you guys are obsessed with good smelling products, then you will love the Flourishing collection. It smells like a breath of fresh air. It smells like a new day. It smells like a vacation, friend. Like, I don't know how to describe it to you. It smells so good. Like, if one thing that Courtney nails every single time, it is the sense of her products. And I feel like that is so important because even if the product works good for you, if it smells bad, 9 times out of 10, people are just not going to want to use it. So not only does the product need to work, but it also does need to have a good scent to it. And I'm really excited that she went above and beyond with these scents. You can literally smell it as you're opening it. It just infuses in your nose. It smells so good. I don't even know how to describe it. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love Watch and See down. Again, this is Courtney's newest line. This is her baby. Definitely go out and try them. So this says, See the Repair Deep Continuous Flourishing Mask delivers rapid, deep repair to damaged hair, restoring strength, moisture, and vitality. It's formulated to keep your hair healthy and prevent future damage. And some of the key ingredients in here, I see aloe vera juice. I see castor oil. Of course, there's water in here. There's rosemary water. And the most important part, it says that this is infused with seaweed and algae. When you are using ingredients that come from Mother Nature, just like I said, seaweed and algae, you probably didn't know that these are powerhouse ingredients for our hair also. And I love that Kourtney is just introducing a whole new line of natural hair ingredients to us. I think it's just something that we need. If there is one brand that certainly stands out over the rest, it's definitely the Watch and See brand. I love that they are using minerals and ingredients that come right out of the sea and nourishes in our hair. And I'm really excited to see what Kourtney comes up with next. But y'all, definitely hop on the hair mask for now and check out some of her other hair care products too. Not only that, she also has different gummies that you can take and pills that you can take for hair growth. She also has different skincare products too. She launched an entire brand of stuff. So if you love good smelling products and good ingredients, then you would definitely love Watch and See Beauty. Okay, so this next one is probably going to shock you because it shocked me. I learned that this brand that I'm about to show you guys was actually created by a black man. What? Yes, y'all, and the product is fire. This is called Rich Royals. It's the Royal Hydration Treatment. It's made with honey, castor oil, and tea tree. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at the product. Packed with moisture, packed with power. Look at this. I am not kidding. I fell in love. I believe this is my first product I even tried from the brand. I would love to try some more. It smells so good too. It smells like berries. Like it's like fruity and rich. Now let me read this to you real quick, y'all. This is right from their website. It says Rich Royals Luxuries was founded by Jabril Ashakur, widely recognized as King Brill, a college student and personal trainer who wanted to help his female clients maintain clean and moisturized hair despite their frequent sweating and washing. It also says to gain more understanding of his clients' problems, he began his own natural hair journey while conducting intense research on regimens, recipes, and rituals for kinky and curly hair. What? In the beginning, he struggled to obtain any results that resembled that of properly managed hair, yet and still his confidence never wavered, and through his constant perseverance, he has learned an incredible amount about all things that allow hair to flourish. Now, you guys can go on and read a little bit more about the owner, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick background story about who this man is and why he invented these products. And the number one thing I love to do before I support a brand is I'm going to go on your website. I'm going to make sure that you have an About Me page. I'm going to make sure that you are connecting with the customer, and it's so important to me that you just have a well-rounded website. They check off all the boxes. Not only that, their products are impeccable. If you guys don't do anything else, please support this brother. He's a black man who wanted to create hair care products for black women who have kinky and curly hair. Not only did he do it, but he perfected it, y'all. So yeah, this here Rich Royals, you got my vote, okay? Rich Royals for president, okay? That's how good the product is. All right, y'all, so we have just went through all of my favorite deep conditioners that you should be using in 2026. I went through some OGs, I went through some newbies, I even went through some black brothers up in here. So if you enjoyed watching this video, if you learned something, if you're gonna try any of the products that I will have linked below for you, definitely like and comment and subscribe. My name is Aaliyah, and I enjoy putting you guys on to the best curly hair products on the market. In 2026, our hair is going to thrive, and we're going to do this together. And if you are somebody who is just struggling to grow your natural hair, if you are just starting your natural hair journey, this is the page for you. I not only put you onto the best tools and products, but I also do step-by-step hair tutorials on heatless hairstyles that you can do also. So if that sounds like you, then I would recommend watching this video next. And until next time, guys, I will catch you in the next one. My name is Aaliyah. This is As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.